ago, when Onkwawenna was first created, there was a student who effortlessly surpassed all expectations of the program. Her fluency was unparalleled, challenged only when she talked to herself. This led to her getting right crazy on everybody, and then she vanished into the woods for some reason. Now, only those students about to attend Onkwawenna shall approach her and ask for 5 phrases to be translated from English into Mohawk. I'm serious, she'll do it.
So dude, where are you gonna get translated?
Yeah, but how?
Sorry, I totally saw something on your face.
Whatever. Just be quiet, the movie's gonna start.
Hey dude, what's up?
Sego.
So man, like, how do you say...
Oh, niot asirdo, ne.
What did you say, man?
Oh, nahoda wasirdo.
Can you say it again?
Awaduga aunza sirdo.
Dude, like, say it again.
Sagirdo.
Can you, like, write it down?
Awaduga ashiado. Tokniego.
Oh man, is this a dude or a chick? Oh man, this guy's crazy.
Oh, man, far. Oh, hi. So can you translate this for me?
Awaduga dasewadadeni.
Can you say it more slowly?
Awaduga sahaskana asirdo.
I don't understand.
Ja, det var getting gordayandas.
What does it mean?
Och nahoda gando.
Oh, stupid George. Where's the washroom?
Got no any guy on there, and that's a takwa. Talk nego.
Did you get my text?
Yeah, thanks a lot for totally ruining my chance. Now I never know what my book says. It's totally over.